Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys, how can we on screenshot sound guys? This screenshot sound guys you want to on in your oppo phone guys, screenshot sound. So you can on in this video guys, I will show you how to on screenshot sound. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on this screenshot sound. Guys, click on sound and vibration setting. Then guys, click on guys this haptic tones and as you can see for the one screenshot sound guys, we will on from this right side. So when you will take a screenshot, so you can listen this screenshot sound. So I hope friends you have understood how to on screenshot sound in oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.